Now let's see the grid view mode. Search for the display PDF add-on again and add a PDF viewer. Here I am choosing the display list or grid. Now let's select the grid view. In the grid view, you can source the PDFs by categories, select viewer or all. If you choose the category, you need to search by categories, and if you select viewer, then you need to search by viewers. I am selecting all so that I can show everything at all. Then I am choosing the pop-up as open type, and I am using 3-column view. You can turn these buttons or toolbar options on or off by enabling or disabling it, the filter and other toolbar options. Now let's display and publish. And when you view the page, you can see a new grid mode has created. It has shown my PDFs as a grid. There are categories, search options and filtering options. So when there are a lot of PDFs and I want to show it as an organized view, this is the best way I can use. I can search by all, adventures or different type of categories, and my PDF here will come up. You can see I can search it as well. So this is a brilliant feature that comes within one plugin. Now let's talk about the list view mode. Again, I'm going to take the display add-on, and now I'll be choosing the list view mode from the display list or grid. Here I'm choosing the list view mode. Here you can sort by category and select viewer as well. I am selecting the all. Now let's delete the grid view block so that we can understand it easily. Now let's publish it, and when you view the page, you can see the PDFs now are shown as a list. There are titles, descriptions and a button. So this is how you can show your PDFs as a list as well. So if you use this add-on, you can show all the PDFs as bookshelf, list view or grid view. So there are 3 different plugins that is coming within one. That means this is a 3-in-1 plugin, and this will show your PDFs in the most brilliant way that you can ever imagine. I'll be putting all the important links in the description and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.